morning, guys. Today, Disneyland.
Hey guys, just getting ready for the day. Gotta look good for the vlog, you know? This sweater still fits.
We're almost there. We made it! Yeehaw, noble steed! Onwards to adventure! This is the life! I regret this already! Woo! This is insane! This is awesome!
Wow, look at them go! I'm gonna try that. How am I doing, guys? Not bad for a Bigfoot, right? This is amazing. Oh my gosh, this cotton candy is amazing. You guys have to try this. So good. Oh man, this ice cream is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these Mickey ears. Do they make my fur look big? I have a churro, I have popcorn, and I have a drink. Oh, this churro is amazing. And the popcorn and this drink. Too good. Coughs, laughs.
Guys, it's time!
Best day ever.